Hello everybody, welcome back to Clown Nights. And I don't like it, but today I am going to be playing it before I have to go to my goddad's place and do the rest of my assignments. But right now I just want to focus on recording on the game. Let's see if we can finally beat this, shall we? Okay, night 1. You can scroll and garden. Okay. We know this. Not again. And start breathing again. So, don't like it. I just don't like this. We have to survive until 6 a.m. and these are the 3 clowns that we want to watch out for. They move anywhere you want them to, I think. I don't know about this game. I don't like that sound. Okay. Sorry, but my computer's glitching a little. Oh boy. Don't tell me they moved. One of them moved. Where can you be? Let's see if we can find you. Oh, there you are. Good to see you running around. So we can keep on camera 9 and camera 2. And also, we have to keep an eye out for all sorts of things. Okay, you're still there. Okay, it's only 1 a.m., so we're doing good. I hope. Very hopeful. Stop your whining. We don't want any of your whining at all. Why? And yes, I made an account on here so I can log in whenever I need to play a game. And right now, this clown game is... No, they moved. Oh, hi. I didn't expect you to be on camera 1. Camera 1, 2, and 9. You guys are not nice. Not nice at all. You're not even close to me, so that's good. Ugh, I don't like clowns. I seriously don't. Don't you dare move. I don't know what the scratching is all about, though. That's kind of tripping me out. Oh, that's what you moved. It's not nice. Not nice to move. And it's still not close to me, so that's good. It's 2 a.m. Move! Where'd you go? Please be somewhere. Please be somewhere. Oh, there's a knife in the target. So you're there, but where's your friend at? Where's the other one? Oh! I didn't see you. There you are. You're getting too close. You're staying. You definitely stay put. I'm gonna call you Chuckles. I'm gonna call you Whiny. I'm gonna call your other friend right there. I have no words for you, so you're not gonna be a name. You move. Oh, there you are. Duh, so 5, 2, and 7. Oh, wait, no. Was it number 4? Yeah. 5, 2, and 4. Oh, I don't like you guys. Oh, I don't like you guys one bit. Just go away. Where do you go? Okay, you're there. Yo! Hi. Okay, you two are there. Chuckles, Whiny, and you, stay put. No, don't whine. Don't whine. Please don't. Okay, so we got second whiner over here. So, first whiner, Chuckles, and the second whiner. You're all in different places, you know. Okay, gotta save. Oh, I don't like it. It's like playing Five Nights at Freddy's. Whiny move. Stay, you two. Don't like you. Where'd you go? Okay, good. Stay there, please. It's 3 a.m. We got 30% left of power. It's gonna be soon. Give it 29%. Can I have some coffee? Please? Please, can I have some coffee? I would love to have some coffee right now. You're being Fatty moved. Fatty moved to where? Where did Fatty move to? Okay, he's back in his spot. You are at the door! Go away, I don't want you here. Oh, Fatty, you moved again. You're right there. No! No! Go away. Don't want nothing to do with you. No, no, no. No, come on. I was doing good. Oh, I don't like it. I hate clowns. We were doing good, but what the heck? Oh, I hate clowns. Okay, no. We're not gonna do that again. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so clowns are not my favorite thing to mess with. Okay, so let's see if we can do a different horror game, because clowns are not my thing. Let's see here. Clowns I'm not doing. Nothing. Let's see if we can do... Where is it? Where is it? That doesn't look scary at all. Unless hide from the dawn until morning. Evil doll. Okay. Let's do the evil doll. I'm guessing. Don't want to. Okay. Oh, I don't like dolls either. But let's give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try. The music. Use headphones for a greater effect. I'm glad I'm wearing my headset. I'm so glad I'm wearing my headset. I don't want you. That doesn't look scary. But how do we move? Oh, I know how. Lord! Oh my gosh! No! I didn't know what to do! Navigate. Oh, navigate. Oh! What am I supposed to do? Oh, no, I regret that doll's not nice. Ah. But it looks so friendly right there. Oh. Oh, it's one man hide and seek. That's the game. No wonder why it's called. Okay, so we have to hide until morning. That doesn't give me... No. No. Ah! Jesus! What am I supposed to do? This doesn't make sense. Okay. We'll retry this. I don't know what to do. I didn't know what else to do. Am I supposed to hide in the other room? Oh, the doll is so... Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I just don't. I have no words. I don't know what to say about that. Wasn't fun for me at all. Oh, every time when I play that game, it just gives me chills. Okay, so we have to figure out something. I guess we can do the house. Okay, so I had to search up on how to do that evil doll game, and then I'll get back to it. I couldn't figure out what to do. Is there any controls that we need to figure out? Okay, so we just have to use the mouse. Okay, that's good. Phew. Thank goodness, I don't want to use anything else. Oh, I just don't like it. The dolls, the clowns, I'm currently scared of everything, so... Oh, what a lovely what is that? But that is a lovely picture. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. We're in the dining room. Okay, so what do we do? A dining room. Oh, ball! No! Ball? Can we pick up the ball, please? Throw the ball? Do something? Do we just have to stare at the picture? Oh, I think we have to do something. I saw that, and no. I don't like that noise. And I don't like laughters. Well, that's all I have for today. I will get back to this game, soon, but, I'm not enjoying these noises. So if you guys like this video, please leave a comment down below, leave a like, and stab that like button, and I'll catch you all killers later. Have a great day.